Hello students. So in this question we are given a staircase contains three steps each 10 centimeter high, 20 centimeter wide. What should be the minimum horizontal velocity of a ball rolling off the uppermost plane so as to hit directly the lowest plane? So here, so we have to, the ball should cross this point, both in x and y direction, then only it will be able to hit the plane directly. So this point is 40 centimeter in the x direction and 20 centimeter in the y direction, considering this as origin. So to reach this point, we'll first have to find the time it takes for the y direction, for it to travel in the y direction. So in y direction it is travel 20 centimeter. So point 2 equal to velocity in the y direction is 0, half into g into t square. Taking g to be 10, t square equal to 0.4 by 10. So t equal to 0.2 second. So the ball will take 0.2 second to reach this point in the y direction. So in the same time, the ball should travel 40 centimeter in the x direction. So zero point 0.4 equal to u into 0.2. U equal to 2 meter per second. Thank you.